Welcome to old time Jamaica. Which bird you afraid of the most when you're a picnic? Well, me did afraid of the drunk sir. Every time me leave my yard, face me I go school many time. When look on the post out the gate, is the drunk there warming in like herself. And when he see me I pass, one look at me and say, "Hi, I know, don't come here, sir." I tell you the truth. A brother them will try stone them and run them, but I run back in the yard bawling for my mother because to me, them is just duppy. I didn't see them as no regular bird. For me, them was duppy. You know, when them turn up on the point with them long red neck and them just ball, the neck just ball, don't have nothing going for it. You just look good and you say, this is not a real bird, this is a duppy. Plus it's too big to be a real bird. Anyhow, you will pass one morning, one early morning, and when you look, you see, say, you know, one dead meat there and the drunk or them heating up them meat, and then the passing drunk turn on and look on you, and then get this, "Oi, try, don't come here, sir." Kind of look, oh God, you do not more than turn back and run, go ball and beg for somebody run the drunk or them for you. Anyhow, put fun and joke one side. Me come a foreign, things say me drunk or days done. I walk go to this park. When I look on top of the pinnacle of the park, guess who me see? No, me see a drunk. Pose. I look at me. I look up at him shock. Because I say, "Where you come from?" The drunk fly over me head and give me this look. You see, then the drunk or them don't fear yard wherever you are come from. They might fierce, but me dreadful. When I see that, I say, "Drunk, yeah, you know, no fuss no more. We're going to learn to be friends because apparently you're present everywhere I am at." Alright? So that is my experience with drunk. I don't know what yours is.